Hi, I am your virtual teacher for Science 10, Ms. Rizalyn Tiempo Corpin, and welcome to the new mode of teaching in education, and welcome to my virtual classroom. So students, how are you today? Are you feeling alright? I am glad that you were able to attend our class today. Our lesson for today is all about the different forms of electromagnetic waves. This is based on MELC Science 10 Quarter 2 Week 1. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us answer the pretest first. How did you find the pretest? What was your score? If you get 15 items correctly, you may skip the module. But if your score is 14 and below, you must proceed with the module. In this lesson, you are expected to think of this scenario. You are lying in bed when your alarm goes off. You get up and pick up your phone to see if you have a text message. When you notice the light from your window is creating a rainbow in the corner of your room. You head downstairs to the kitchen, open up your fridge to look for food that you can heat in the microwave oven. Microwaves carry energy, and so with other kinds of electromagnetic waves. You use the remote control to turn on the radio as you pop a breakfast of tapsilog in the microwave. After eating and getting ready for school, you head out on the sunny day to wait for your ride. In this scenario, you have experienced almost all of the waves on the electromagnetic spectrum. You have learned about waves during your Science 7 class. Let's recall some important terms about waves. Below are descriptions of different terms relating to waves and the jumbled letters which will form the correct term. Your task is to rearrange the jumbled letters to form the term being described. Do this on a separate sheet of paper. You have probably seen a wave. But have you created one? Let's try and make some waves. Get a rope of any kind and tie one end of it to a fixed sturdy object near you. Now strengthen the rope and hold the other end of it. Start moving your hands up and down. Observe what happens to the rope. Were you able to make a wave? Draw the wave you made on a separate sheet of paper. Now, try to make a wave again, but your hands slowly. Observe what happens. Draw the image of the wave you created. This time, make a wave while moving your hands fast. Based on the activity, is there any difference on the waves you have created? Why does each created wave look different? Electromagnetic radiation is all around us. Some are unnoticeable. Yet a lot of our activities make use of these electromagnetic waves. When you move your hands up and down while holding one end of the rope, you create wave on the rope. The waves you created may look different depending on how fast you move your hand. Wavelength is the distance between crest to crest or trough to trough. Electromagnetic waves are bounded at different ranges, meaning each type of electromagnetic waves has upper and lower limits on the spectrum. Similarly, if you move an electrically charged object back and forth in an empty space, you'll create an electromagnetic waves in space. But what is an electromagnetic waves? There are 7 types of electromagnetic waves. They are arranged in a gradual progression from the waves of lowest frequency to the highest frequency. This arrangement is called the electromagnetic spectrum. In order of increasing frequency, the electromagnetic spectrum includes radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. Now, let's strengthen your concepts regarding the different electromagnetic waves by comparing their relative wavelengths and frequencies. And as you move along, this covers some characteristics of electromagnetic waves. So, if you're ready to ride the waves, answer the following enrichment activities and dive into the world of electromagnetic waves. Have fun! Using Figure 1, determine the wavelength ranges of each of the forms of electromagnetic waves. Afterwards, answer the questions that follow. Next up, let us compare the frequencies of different electromagnetic waves. Afterwards, answer the questions that follow. At this point, let's sum up what you have learned. Pick out the word that will make the statement correct. For sure, you are now acquainted with the different electromagnetic waves. It's your turn to make your own chart about electromagnetic waves. So there you go, we have wrapped up all our lessons and it's time for you to answer the parallel test. Alright, time's up! Submit your test and you will be notified of your score in our Google Classroom. See you guys next week! Stay safe, stay healthy, God bless us all!